Imagine this. You have a business partner that you consider reliable and trustworthy. However, this person does not have a mobile phone and also does not have an email address. So every other time you reach out to them on phone or you do an email to them, they don't respond because they have none. Now consider this. You have a great business opportunity and you are trying to look for these people. You cannot get them. It's like they live in the bush, somewhere in the forest. Would you continue doing business with this kind of a person? Of course, your guess is as good as mine. Now, think of KRA. There are those taxpayers that KRA tries to reach out to them, but they cannot find them. These people, they don't have a reliable phone number. So every other time they are called, nothing, no response. They don't have a valid email address. So every other time KRA does an email to them, there is no response. But unlike your case, where you have a chance to choose another business partner in the event the one you have is not reliable, KRA has no option but to continue assessing and imposing taxes on these taxpayers that they are unable to find. This is what KRA does. KRA uses digital communication to reach out to the taxpayers. Whenever they want to do an additional tax assessment, they use either your email or your mobile number to reach out to you. Whether it is discrepancies in your tax filings that they need to update you so that you can provide more information, you are not reachable. Missing information, or sometimes they want to communicate objections and review decisions that they have done on your KRA account. Where are you? You cannot be found. Maybe they just want to issue polite compliance reminders, but unfortunately, you are giving them a hard time. Or could be they want to involve you and inform you about an enforcement decision. They want to close your bank account. They want to freeze and suspend your bank account, but they cannot reach you. So do they just sit down and wait till the time you will emerge? Of course not. This is a government parastatal. What do? Every other time, KRA is frustrated by you not picking their calls, by you not responding to their phone numbers. They do what the law allows them to do. And this is what they do. Number one, they issue a default assessment. A default assessment is when KRA thought that you had underfiled your taxes, you had underreported your income, you had overstated your expenses. So they were calling you, they were writing to you so that you can come and clarify that position and tell them, no, this income that you are seeing in my bank statement is actually not a business income. It is a piece of land that I had sold. It is a donation I had received because I had a fundraiser. But you are not there. Remember, KRA are humans. They are not angels. So in the event they are not able to reach you, they do a default assessment and they assume the worst case scenario, that all income that went through your bank statements is business income and they tax it. Was that necessary? Maybe not. If you had come out, you would have explained to them that income was not business income. So after they have done the default assessment, what happens? Penalties, fines, and interest follow. Why? Because this default assessment that they have done, you are not aware about. So you will not pay these extra taxes that they have imposed in your account. So these extra taxes that they have imposed in your account, they will start to accrue penalties for late payment, for late filing. They will accrue interest and fines. Something small that you would have resolved at that lowest level ends up being something very, very complicated for you. All because you were not available to help KRA make decision. The worst now comes in this way. Default judgment, yes. Penalties, interest, and even fines, yes. Now comes the agency notice. Agency notice is when KRA communicates to your employer, to your clients, to the banks, or any other person who has a chance to handle your money. And they tell them to withhold, to retain your money, and sometimes even to forward those monies to KRA on behalf of yourself. Why? KRA has been looking for you, and it is even easier for them to reach out to the bank that has your money, to reach out to some of your clients that have your money, to reach out to even your employer, because you are not reachable. In such a case, you go to the bank, you want to withdraw money, maybe to pay suppliers or to pay for rent or even your employees, you cannot get access to your money because KRA was unable to reach you and they froze your bank account. Where did all these start? Where did the rain start beating you? It started when you wanted to register a KRA PIN. What did you do? You went to a cyber cafe, and there you found a guy who was willing to support you and help you out in registering a KRA PIN. This guy needed to open for you an iTax account. He needed you to provide them with an email address, with a reliable phone number, but whatever you provided them with, you don't remember. Or maybe you told him to just create some for you. So he created an email address for you. He gave you the password. You did not take it seriously. You forgot the password and you even forgot the email address. The phone number that you put there is a phone number that you no longer use. So now, a few years later, you want to do something with the KRA. You are trying to log in into your KRA PIN. This time, you are lucky you have the KRA PIN because he printed a copy for you, your KRA PIN, but you want to file your taxes. You go through the iTax account. The iTax account needs you to provide a password. Do you know the password? Of course you don't know. But KRA has provided a mechanism whereby, in case you don't know your password, you can reset it. But when you reset it, the new password is sent to the email address that is attached to that KRA PIN. Do you know the email address that is attached to your KRA PIN? Of course not. And even if you know, do you have the password to that email address? So that once you reset the KRA password, the new password will be sent to the email address. Perhaps you know it, that is attached to your KRA PIN, but are you able to access that email address so that you can get the new password? To make the matter worse, you need an OTP that will be sent by iTax to the mobile number that is registered to your phone. Again, do you even know which mobile phone is registered on your iTax? You don't. So you get locked out in your own KRA account. And KRA are busy sending you messages, communicating to you, sending you assessments, reminders, nothing, because of being unable to log into your KRA account. So today, this is a clarion call to every taxpayer, whether you are a business, whether you are an individual or a professional. Do this simple task today. Now, update your email address and mobile number on your iTax platform so that anytime KRA wants to reach out to you, they will do that with comfort. You will have the chance to respond to concerns, to queries raised by KRA before they slap you with additional tax assessment, before they do an agency notice on your bank account. You will be able to share more information. And by doing so, get control over your tax affairs. Remember, the mobile phone and the email address, they are not mere contact details, but they are your shield against unnecessary penalties, fines, and enforcement. From today, be responsive, be reachable, and more importantly, be compliant with taxes with respect to KRA, and by doing so, you will maintain and retain your peace of mind, ensure that you protect your business, and also you protect your business profits.